Alright, so Matt here. I just offered him 2 cases of Red Bull to take 16 shots to the bare back with that. We decided on $24, and I'm gonna pay him. We shook on it. I'm a man of my word. So I'll pay him on Sunday because I'm off Sunday or at 5 o'clock. So I'll give him $24 on Sunday. Okay, so he's gonna stand right where he is, and I'm gonna stand back here. And that is 10 feet away. Okay, I'm going to stand on the 10-foot line.
8 feet away, considering this is about 2 feet from the wall.
Good point. Okay, so it'll be about 8 feet away. I'm going to stand on the 10-foot line. 10-foot line is for that dartboard there.
It's not as bad as the day we were sitting there and you were standing there,
Yeah.
5 feet away.
So I'm going to stand there. Matt's going to stand facing that dartboard, and I'm going to shoot him in the back 16 times. And then I'm going to pay him on Sunday. So Russell's going to videotape it. We're just waiting for him. Let's go find Russell.
Russell's trying to cut it and we'll be in.
So we're going to go upstairs. This is what happens when parents are away. Well, actually, no. This happens when my parents are here anyways, but you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're ready, Russell.
Russell! I brought the penny.
You gonna come watch some stupidity, Courtney?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
This needs
So,
more, Russell.
Russell's gonna videotape it for us. Matt's gonna be the victim.
You know I'm spending it wrong, right?
Yeah. What?
You know I'm spending it wrong.
Shotgun or the, which one?
No, I'm just going to buy CO2 for my paintball gun.
There you go. We have to play some more paintball this year, too. I'm using that Desert Eagles on my sidearm. Alrighty. So, Matt, where's your phone?
Phone?
Yeah, do you? What?
Power.
Give it to me.
I need it.
I'm gonna put some AC/DC on.
Nice choice. Give me a sec.
Okay, so Matt's gonna throw a little bit of shooting music on. I'm gonna hand the camera over to Russell here.
It's the second thing Russell's grabbed today.
So Russell, I want you right there so you can see Matt perfectly. Right.
I actually had beer with this.
Oh, beer would be a good thing too.
There you do.
Alright.
Shake. Man shake.
I have no fucking nails.
That's what Russell got circumcised. Nails. Too bad they happened later on in life.
Alrighty. Shut off, Matt. Let's do this. You ready?
Yep.
Is he okay?
Yeah.
There he goes. How's that? Not bad?
Dude, you saw me with your paintball gun at 700.
For an extra 10, you want me to go a foot closer?
Now it's just itchy.
Foot closer?
Another 10?
Another
Maybe
10.
another 11.
11, we'll go a foot closer. Well, good song. What do we do for money?
These are nipples, by the way. Russell doesn't have any. Neither do chicken, so we know if Russell had them.
You want to get in the stomach?
As long as you don't shoot me in the face. Because then I take the test. That's probably the easiest money I've ever made.
I love having money.
Alright.
Alright.
You like spending money.
Ready?
Back.
Fun. Yeah. Here we go. Alright, there we go. That was centralized. You can actually see the marks. Alright. There we go. I'll give Matt his money on Sunday. Alright, there's our stupidity for the night. Take it easy, guys.